G'day from Melbourne, folks. This is the second installment of the video on the high performance build 55 square home that we're building in Melbourne, and I want to talk today about the actual wall wrap that we're using. Now, for those who are familiar with Passiv Haus or the principles of it and the type of wrap that is used, which is fairly sophisticated high performance wrap, then you will know the names. For example, Siga we use and recommend. Siga is from Switzerland and is the market leaders in this type of wrap, which is 100% waterproof, 100% airtight. Okay, so the primary purpose of this outside wrap, which is called Mavest, is to make sure that your frame is 100% watertight, but also if you're doing your sealing properly, then you're getting a really good result with your air tightness with your outside membrane. Now, if you're doing it properly, then you're going to go with an inside internal wrap as well, and we'll come to that in a later series of these videos. And that will really get you up into a very good result on the air tightness. So let's look at what we've done here. I want to show you the slight difference in color here between the dry concrete at the bottom and the slightly off color here. Now, we've used a product called Dock Skin, which is again a Siga product, and that is really like a primer for any substrate, concrete, timber, OSB, whatever. Now, if you really need to put this on, because when you use the tape that we're using here, which is called Wig Glove, to effectively make the membrane to the slab airtight, by using Dock Skin, you give the Wig Glove a really good attachment to the slab. So really an absolute must to use that, and you can see how nicely that's adhered to it. And once you've got it on there, pretty much impossible to rip it off unless you destroy it. Fellow building colleague Matt Reisinger has done some videos, excellent videos on this and the strength of it. So this is what this is what you go through. So when you're preparing the wall, you've got to put your Dock Skin on. That'll dry in about 15 to 20 minutes, and then presumably you've got your wrap on by that time, and then you can lay your Wig Glove between the Mavest and your Dock Skin. Attach it to the Dock Skin. So what we've done here is you'll see how we've done the wrap. We've actually gone horizontally. You can go vertically. It just depends on how you work out what actually works for the type of build that you've got. And you'll see here that there's a reasonably difficult section which is over the living areas above, so that's got to be insulated properly. And then we're actually going to wrap a membrane right around from there and bring it up over the steel, attach it to the membrane that's actually coming down the wall and around. And by taping it again across the sides, we're going to get a good seal on it. And you can see what we've done with the power box here. So even the power box gets a really good going over, so there's no air leakage happening in from that point. Now look, this type of product is expensive, okay, but you get what you pay for, and it is really critical. You only get one chance to do this, and after that it's gone. You're sunk. Okay, so if it's not done properly, when you come to do your blower test, that is if your builder ever does a blower test, then you're going to find that your your ACH results, which is your air change results, are not going to be as good as you thought they would. So we use and recommend this product. So any joins have got to be properly taped and sealed, and it does, folks, it does take a lot of time to get this right. Okay, this is not your wrap that the average labourer can throw on, as you'll see in 99% of the builds in this country. Unfortunately, that's the state of how we build here, but at Pure Eco Homes we're going down a different route, and for us this is really about delivering a different type of build, and for the clients that understand what they're getting and understand what they want to get. So there you go, right around the windows, 100% airtight seal with a tape that is guaranteed to last over 50 years. In fact, I think it's more than that, but we'll call it that. And on this corner here, you'll see that our guys have already started to put up the aerated concrete panel, and you'll see that there's a gap, the 24mm gap. You can see the batten there. I don't know if you can, but probably, yep, there we go. So that's fixed directly to the stud wall and then through the panel. So you've got 4 points of attachment along that 3-meter section of panel. Okay. Well, we'll come to the panel erection in the next installment of this video. So your wrap is absolutely critical to give you a good result. Use a quality wrap. Insist on a very high quality wrap. Better still, call us at Pure Eco Homes. We'll be happy to help you out if this is what you want to achieve.